I picked up some of these AUXITO LED lights, just the regular standard headlights for my wife's minivan. I'm gonna go ahead and see if this makes any difference. We just took a trip and I was unable to see with the original halogens. They're just too dim. Let's hope we can brighten it up with some of these. Not that bright. The halogen doesn't really do justice to where I need to see at night. So these Odysseys are pretty easy. Headlight right in front, and it's gonna be right there. So it has one connector. I've gone ahead and got that connector out. Each side turns towards the engine. So you're just gonna reach in, twist the bottom towards the engine, and that bulb will just pop right out. Careful, because that bulb is freakishly hot. Will burn your skin. New one goes in the same way. Twist it in, there's that new one in again, right there. And that clip just clips right onto the back, standard. Once you got that bulb out, my hands are pretty big, it's hard to fit in there, but there's just one clip on it right here at the bottom. It has a little pin on top. You push that pin after you get the light out, just twist it out, pull out, and then push that pin and pop it off. Here is that original bulb. So comparing the original one to the new AUXITO ones, I'm gonna go ahead and get this installed. It does have a fan on the bottom, and it has built-in resistors, so there's no need to mess around with all those resistor wires, but check per vehicle, of course. Whoop. It goes in the exact same way you took that one out. Very carefully. Just push in, twist. I haven't gotten that clip together yet, but it sticks out a little bit on that back side, which is fine. Just reach in, you can feel that. You're gonna have to use a bit of mechanics feeling here. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the before and after. Wow. It is already 10 times brighter. I mean, look, the other one wasn't even reaching my shorts. Halogen LEDs, they are so much brighter. It's night and day. This headlight probably needs a bit of conditioning or replaced, but this bulb will help in the meantime. I'm gonna double check both sides before I seal this off. That's 10 times brighter than it was. I think my wife's gonna be really happy to be able to see at night. Not only does she have glasses, but halogens being so dim made things pretty bad. I'm hoping this helps. Overall, I'm pretty happy with this install. Simple, easy. I really like this company. They sponsored my truck and I thought I would buy them independently and give it a try on my wife's van. Very happy with it. I would say go ahead and make the upgrade. They make it pretty easy. This is All About Cars. Thank you for watching.